follow me. Just follow me until I reach. Look. 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 I'm saying just follow me until I reach. That's what I'm saying, just follow me until I reach. Huh? After you reach, I'll just walk over there. See that? Before the parking lot. Yeah. Not raining. Is it raining by us? Is it raining up top? Or is it just like, huh? Okay. It's actually raining. The Mexican chicken. Huh? They're gonna pull up with yam belly. Huh? You never got to exercise, don't you?
Well, never find the front guys.
Right. You never took that. Alright. Thunder. I just heard it.